Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I received this question, how to print from laptop to HP printer. What we want to do is to show you how to print from your laptop. There are things you need to make sure to do. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and laptop both are connected to the same network. So my printer and laptop both are connected to the same network. Okay, and another thing you need to do is you need to make sure both of them are also linked together. Now the next thing we need to do is to print a document from this laptop to the printer. You need to go to your file. So go to the file and select the document you want to print out. Open it up. So this is the document I want to print out. Okay, now the next thing to do, you need to select print on top. You can see print image. Okay, select the print image on top. You can also select Ctrl. Another way to do this is Ctrl+P. From your laptop, you can select Ctrl+P for you to print. Okay, now when you select Ctrl+P, then you need to scroll down to select the correct printer. Scroll down from the printer, okay, and look for HP. This printer is HP Officejet Pro and it's ready. Select on it. Make sure the printer is ready. Okay, now you select how many copies. You can also after how many copies you want to print, you select page range. You want to print all the page range, you select, or if you want to print odd page. Odd page is like printing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Or you want to print even page like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or you select if you want to print maybe 1 to 5. If you have documents more than 20 pages, you want to select specific page range 1 to 5, then you select 1 to 5 and it will give you option for you to print only that page. The page we are printing is only 2 pages, so there's no way we're able to do that, so we're going to print only 1 to 2. Now the next is the color. You need to make sure you select the color, either black and white or color, as the case may be, whichever one you want to print. Then another option you have is for you to print double-sided. So you have print on both sides, okay, and select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, so this is the document we printed out on both sides. I also want to show you, if you select print again, select print. Now after the print on both sides, you select more settings. You can select more settings for us to see other information. From the more settings, you will see paper size. When you select, it gives you option for you to make sure you select the correct paper, which is A4. Okay, and the actual size. Scroll down. You can also select the quality. Okay, the quality at the moment is 600 dpi, so you can select 1200 dpi, so the quality is 600 dpi. You can select the quality, okay, and the actual size. You can increase the size. The actual size, you can select actual size or select 100%. This is the actual size, or select only 100%. So you can select scaling. Okay, so you can select actual size or 100%. Then you select 100%. Okay, now select, instead of printing on both sides, we have printed on both sides, so I want us to print on one side. Okay, and select print. Now this document is going to print on one side. Here we go. These are documents we printed out. Okay, single page. This one we printed, this one double-sided. Now another way to print document from this printer, instead of going to the file in this format, another way to do is you go to HP Smart App. This printer is connected, okay, and laptop both are connected to HP Smart App, and the printer is ready. Okay, the next thing to do, you need to select print document. So select print documents, and it will say support document file. Click OK. It will show you the file is support, which is PDF. Now you go to the file documents, you save. Okay, select the document, you save. Scroll down, we save this document with VB. This is the document we save. Click it open, okay, and attach it. Wait for the document to be ready, and here we go. So the next thing to do is you need to also make sure you select the correct printer, which is HP Officejet, and it's ready. So you can add other things, copy, duplex print, which is for you to print on both sides. Print on both sides, which is duplex print. Okay, and more option. Select more option. It take you to HP for you to add things you need to add, like flip over to print on both sides. Flip over and select print. Then select print. Now this document is going to print out. This is very quick. You can see we printed out double-sided, colored from this printer. If you want to print single page, the same thing, you go to the print document, okay, and click OK. Select the document you want to print out. If you want to print photo, then you need to change it to photo, okay, and wait for the document to be ready. Just need to exercise patience for document to attach. Okay, now instead of printing it duplex, we want to print it print on one side, and the color, you select more settings. Select more setting. It will take you to HP, okay, for you to select print quality and color. You change the color to monochrome or grayscale. Is black and white. Select print. Now this document, go to more settings. Also make sure I want us to select, okay, print on both sides is no. Okay, click OK. Then select print. There we go. This document now is printing single page, black and white. There we go. So this document we printed out single page, black and white. So these are ways for you to print document from your laptop to HP printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.